Hi guys, welcome to video number 141. This video is on perimeter and the keyword I've got for you is perimeter. Now the perimeter of something is the distance around the outside of that something, and these are shapes mostly, but you can get perimeter fences around a field and things like that. So the method that I've got for you states to calculate the perimeter of a shape you must add up all the lengths around the edge of the shape. It's very, very simple stuff, but sometimes there are missing lengths that you need to work out. So you look on the other side of the shape and you do some subtraction, you find out what that missing length is. Okay, and I've also put don't get it mixed up with area, because lots of people do get it mixed up with area, and area is the space inside the shape measured in squared units. This is lengths. All right, this is just in centimeters or meters or whatever the unit of measurement is for length. So first question, we've got three shapes, got to work out the perimeter of the three shapes in this instance here. First one, very simple, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12. So 12 centimeters is the perimeter of that particular shape. It might be that they want you to put P equals, perimeter equals this. Not going to do it for every question, but it could be that that's what they want you to write. 0.5 centimeters is the width of this rectangle. 1.5 centimeters is the length. If it's a rectangle, and it is because of these little dashes, you got 1.5 centimeters. The other side, and you got 0.5 centimeters this side to add on. They were missing, but they were very easy to get. So 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. So adding all of that together gives us 4 centimeters. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then this is a regular pentagon, 5-sided shape. One of the side lengths is 3 millimeters. That means all of the side lengths are 3 millimeters. Watch the previous videos on polygons, you'll understand what I'm talking about. And these little dashes on the lines, you'll know what they mean if you watch previous videos. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 millimeters. Okay, right, moving on to question number 2, slightly more complicated stuff going on number 2. Find the perimeter of the shape below. Well, we've got 4, so if we started here, right, if we choose a corner to start on, it would be a good idea. All right, start here, go across to the left, you get 4 centimeters there, plus the 12, okay, so we can do 4 plus 12. Let's write these things down so we don't forget, 4 plus 12. Okay, then we're going to go and add that 21, so plus 21. Okay, and then we get to the end of that line there. Now we need to add on this. Well, looking at the other side, that's 12 centimeters. Okay, so plus the 12 again. Okay, then we've got 2, so plus 2. All right, then going down here, if we look on the other side, we've got 6 centimeters, so plus 6. Okay, but what's this missing length here? Okay, there's nothing to tell us exactly what the missing length there is, apart from using a bit of subtraction, taking away. Okay, so 4 centimeters at the top here, from here to here, 2 centimeters from here to here. All right, and this distance then must be 21, take away this 6. Okay, and if you take away the 6 from 21, you get 15. So that missing length there is 15 centimeters. Did some subtraction and worked it out. So we add the 15 centimeters on, and then we get to the end of the 15 centimeters, and then we add the 6 on to get back to the beginning. So plus 6. Okay. If we look at a number of numbers that we've got there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different side lengths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different side lengths. Okay. So we know we haven't missed anything off, and that's a very common thing that people tend to do, is miss something off there. Now it's just a case of adding it all up. So 4 plus 12 is 16, plus 21 is, well, add 6 onto 21, 27, so 37, 37, 39, 49, 51, 57, 62, 72, 72 plus 6, 78. So 78 centimeters in length all the way round that shape. That's the perimeter of the shape. Okay, now B, find the missing length from the regular polygon. All right, and remember what I mentioned earlier, regular pentagon was this one over in question number 1. This one's a regular polygon, doesn't say how many sides it's got, you can see it. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all sides are the same length. So if we know the perimeter is 36 centimeters, all we need to do in this instance is 36 divided by 6. So 36 centimeters divided by 6 sides is going to give us 6 centimeter lengths. Okay, so 6 centimeters is the missing length on the regular polygon. Okay, And then moving on for the third and final question in this particular video. Different type of question here, worded slightly more complicated yet again, as is the point with the third question. The triangle and the square have the same perimeter. Calculate the length of the square. So in this instance, we know that this distance around this triangle here is the same as this distance around this square here. All right. Now what we can do is we could call that length x, if you like. Okay, x centimeters is something we don't yet know. And if it's a square, we know that actually all of them are x centimeters. All right, because a square has the properties of having all the same side lengths. It's a regular polygon. All right. Now, if we add up these three lengths, because we can, because they're all there, right? 7 plus 17 is 24. So I'll just write these things down. 7 plus 17 equals 24. And then 24 plus the 20 equals 44. All right. Now, all of that is in centimeters, so we just whack centimeters on the end there. Okay. And then we know that x plus x plus x plus x, so 4 x's, x plus x plus x plus x equals 44, right? Because we know it's got the same perimeter. Write that as 4x equals 44, okay, and divide both sides by 4 to find what x is. So, right, so it's forming and solving an equation, and there's a video on that. But dividing both sides by 4 gives you 11. X equals 11. So the length of a square is 11 centimeters. All right, and that's your more complicated type of perimeter problem that you could get there. All right, this is not the most horrible equation to form. You don't have to necessarily form an equation to be able to do this question, though. All right, I just like that ability, being able to do that, because it is a little bit more maths there, isn't it? Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed that video. Thank you very much for watching this one. I hope you watch some more, and I hope you practice. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.